You're a drummer in an apartment, and you need to play. An electronic kit seems like the perfect answer. But the real reason for complaints isn't just the sound they hear, it's the thumping vibration they feel. Your kit creates three problems: the sound from the drums, airborne impact noise from sticks, and vibration noise from your stand. Headphones solve the noise for you, but vibration travels through floors, becoming your neighbor's problem. This is your complete strategy, from gear to DIY solutions, to conquer vibration and practice in peace. So, where do you start? Your first and most important choice is the drum kit itself. Look for kits specifically marketed with a quiet design. Their construction can cut noise significantly. The biggest factor for a quiet kit is the pad surface. Mesh heads are ideal for apartments, absorbing more stick energy and creating less vibration. Beyond being quieter, mesh heads feel more like acoustic drums. You can even adjust their tension with a drum key to customize the rebound. The alternative is rubber pads. While affordable and durable, they are louder and transmit far more vibration, making them a poor choice for apartments. A quiet design kit with mesh heads is a great foundation. But what if that's still not enough? You have the best mesh kit, but the downstairs neighbor still complains. Why? The kit is physically coupled to the building's structure. Every kick pedal press sends a direct shockwave through the rack, into your floor, and through the ceiling below. This is why we must talk about isolation. The goal is decoupling, creating a gap or shock-absorbing layer that separates your kit from the building, breaking the vibration's path. Level 1 of decoupling is using anti-vibration mats. These dense materials are designed specifically to absorb energy. For better results, place small anti-vibration pads directly under the feet of your kick pedal and hi-hat stand to target the worst offenders. These are great starting points, but to truly silence the vibrations, we need to construct something. You asked how to stop that thumping. The best answer is to build a dedicated isolation platform, or a drum riser. The simplest version is a sandwich of 2 plywood sheets with dense foam between them. This layer absorbs much of the energy before it hits the floor. But a superior DIY method is the tennis ball riser. It uses the same plywood concept, but replaces the foam with halved tennis balls for true decoupling. The curved, air-filled balls create minimal floor contact, allowing the platform to float. Vibrations are absorbed and dissipated before they can transfer. Building a riser is a huge step. Now let's look at the smaller details that make a big difference. Your kick is a major vibration source. Swap the hard beater for a softer one. This reduces the initial impact without affecting the trigger. Adjust your drum module's sensitivity and threshold. This lets you play lighter while getting a full sound, lowering the physical force needed. Your success also depends on your building. Concrete floors are much better at blocking vibration than wood frame floors. Where you place the kit matters. Keep it away from shared walls. If possible, set up over a garage or a less used space in the apartment below. You've optimized the gear and the space. But there's one final part of the puzzle that isn't hardware. Let's connect the dots. A quiet design kit cuts noise at the source. Placing it on a tennis ball riser stops the rest from entering the building. This isn't about one magic bullet. It's a system. Quiet pads reduce the force, and the riser absorbs what's left. Each layer reinforces the others. Recall the common mistake of focusing only on what you hear. Our system attacks the real enemy, vibration. Understanding this puts you ahead. The final layer is communication. Talk to your neighbors and find acceptable practice times. A little consideration can make them an ally. So the path to silent drumming is clear. Start with the right kit, isolate it from the structure, fine-tune accessories, and communicate openly. Electronic drums are absolutely a sound solution for apartment life, as long as you engineer your setup to fight vibration, not just volume. You now have the knowledge to build a practice space that lets you play with passion and confidence, without fearing that knock on the door. Go build your silent stage. If you have your own tricks for quiet drumming, share them in the comments to help out the community.